Hey everybody, this is the 15th version of this. Um, I've had, most likes I've had on this is 449 out of all those versions. I'm curious what a difference the likes will make in it popping up. So if you like it, hit the like button for me. Uh, this original video was based on March 16th data and was comparing coronavirus at that time to all these other diseases. I didn't really feel like it was fair, and then when I saw that some folks had liberated it to try and say that it's not even as bad as the common flu. It's like, well, hang on, we've got a virus that is just getting started, and you're comparing it to known track records for the entire lifetime of all these other diseases. So just didn't think it was right. So I added these yellow bars to the chart, three different ones, a single day average, a 1 week average, and then since the beginning of the data we have, which is from about the end of January, just to see what it looks like. And you can see that the bars are definitely crawling up high, and get some pretty big numbers as we go here. So I think it kind of makes an interesting view. We know that deaths have been lagging behind a lot of the other data, so could be up to a couple of weeks behind some of the leveling off on the other stuff. This is a different graph I stuck on the end I found interesting. I'll add a link to it in the bottom. It's another interesting website for data, so have a look at that and check it out. And if you enjoyed this view of the data, pound that like button for me. Thanks.